Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Bluetooth in Nissan Altima. Start by powering the car to accessory or on and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Press the phone or settings button on the Altima dash and choose Add Bluetooth device. Select your Altima name from the phone list and confirm the PIN shown on both screens. Accept permissions for contacts and messages to complete the hands-free setup in minutes. Once you start pairing, follow the prompts on both the Altima display and your phone to keep things smooth. When the car shows a PIN, compare it with the number on your phone and hit confirm or pair on both devices. Grant access to contacts and call history so the hands-free system works fully. If the phone fails to connect, turn Bluetooth off and on and retry the pairing sequence. If you hit problems, stay calm and try a few quick fixes that usually work. Reboot your phone and power, cycle the Altima infotainment by turning the car off then on. Remove any old Bluetooth pairings from both devices to clear conflicts, and ensure your phone software is up to date. If issues persist, consult the manual or your dealer for a system reset or update to restore.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.